Today we're going to look at the Blade Hakws GM-X6. This is a colorful illumination gaming mouse. It says it has a durable Omron switch that guarantees 10 million uses. It has a gaming mouse sensor, the ATG 490 gaming engine that it uses, and it goes at 500 Hertz. You can switch the DPI to 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, or 6000. DPI starting at 200. It has 6 lighting modes: red, blue, green, yellow, cyan, and purple. You can set up custom profiles in the custom gaming engine. You can have 6 different profiles having set for individual games or individual users. Comes in a nice protective case. Easily lifts off after removing from the box. It has textured buttons. Semi-smooth roll. Plus and minus. Has 2 programmable buttons on the side. Reset button, on and off switch. And it is powered by the gold-plated USB